Hello everyone and welcome to this video. We continue working on this design right here. Now we select the background layer. Then we use the pen tool to draw this shape right here. We use the curvature pen tool to fix this shape. We make it in black. And we put it here. We copy the shape. We adjust its size. We put it here for now. Then we fix it like this. That's good. I adjust its size and I put it right here. Now I copy it, I put it here, then I fix it using the curvature pen tool. I put it here. Now I zoom out to take a good look at the design. Now I select all three layers and I put them right here. I make them in a folder. I copy the folder and I put the shapes right here. I copy it again and I put it here. Then I rotate it and I adjust its size. That's good. Now I copy it one more time and I put it here. And here we are. Now we will save our design. So we go to File, Save. If you don't know how to save a file, you click on File, then Save. You name your file and you make it in PSD, then you click Save. Now we will put the design on a t-shirt so that it looks like this. So to do that, we save the file as a PNG. And we click Save. But I will wait until the next video to show you how to put the design on a mockup to make it look like this. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.